Hi, our quick little mini video today is going to be about equivalent fractions. What does that mean? How can we use them? And so forth. So, equivalent fractions, let's take a quick look. Basically, an equivalent fraction means two ways. I almost dropped my camera. How funny. Two ways, or we could say two fractions that describe the same amount. Amount. Just equivalent. The word equivalent is the key. So let's just look at a picture of what that would look like. So we're talking about, for example, let's go back to the old easy peasy fourths. So, like in our previous video, we talked about the denominator describes how many equal parts there are altogether. There are 4. Let's go ahead and show that we are talking about one of those parts, 1/4. So we can see that if we had 1/4 here and we split that same shape up again into different parts, it now has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 parts altogether. How many of them are shaded in? 2. 2/8 effectively describes the exact same amount as 1/4. And if we split those up again, we could also create a fraction, I know that's messy, that had 16 equal parts. And 1, 2, 3, 4 of those parts would be shaded in. These 3 are all equivalent fractions. The easiest way to kind of hang on to that and build some understanding is thinking about an amount that's very familiar to you, like for example, 1/2, right? 1/2 is so familiar. And we know that if I had 10 parts of something, 10 pieces, and I gave my friend 5 of them, they have half. 5/10 is the same as 1/2. So all of these are equivalent fractions. That's just what an equivalent fraction is. It describes two fractions that describe the same amount using different numerical values, but describing the exact same amount. That's what an equivalent fraction is. Next, we'll look at how to create or generate an equivalent fraction.